Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to disable camera upload in OneDrive app at 2026. So actually guys, you will need just to open the OneDrive app on your phone, and after that I do want you to go and tap on the profile icon that's located on the top left corner of your screen. Then you will need to go and tap on the second option or the gear icon that says settings. Okay, so just tap on the settings, and after that you will need to locate the camera backup option. All right, so once you tap it, you will be inside the camera backup section. So right here we will need to turn off the camera upload. So to do that, you will need to go with the options section, and inside it you will need to disable or to toggle off the first option, include videos, and also the backup only while charging. Right, so toggle off the both options and then go with backup device folders. And right here I do want you to uncheck the camera. Okay, so go ahead and tap on it and it will be unchecked as well. And if you find after that options like upload over Wi-Fi or include videos, even if you didn't toggle off them before, they will be disabled once the camera upload is off. Right, so the camera upload is now disabled, and OneDrive will no longer backup new photos and videos automatically. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.